Okay, so after finally getting the car tuned fully on Stage 1 Plus along with the DSG transmission tune, it's time to take this bad boy out. I'm finna give you guys all POV, all car footage. I got you. I'm a one-man show, but I'm gonna make it happen. Let's go. All right, so basically, I got the 360 camera set up right here on the rear top of the Golf R for muffler sounds. So we're gonna have high quality muffler audio. I also have one of these, what's in my hand right here. A lot of Insta360 coverage for this POV. Boom, GoPro. Microphone for exhaust is on. Oh, such a fun car to drive. All right, there we go. Now we cooking again, baby. Let's get it. Okay, so we are Stage 1 Plus from Unitronics with the DSG transmission tune as well. And let me tell you, this is an amazing combo. Oh boy, do I appreciate it. I typically like doing manual shifting. I might switch to manual in a second. But I'm in the special Nürburgring mode. We still getting snap, crackles, and pops. The turbo noises are really good. I'm gonna have to mic the turbo noises in the future, you guys. I'm gonna have to get you guys, I got you. But as of right now, oh crap. Woo, the handling of the Golf R is top notch, baby. This is a nice road to just drive for scenery and visuals. It's peaceful. Just you, your car, the engine, and the sounds, baby. Gotta love it. Ooh. Handling like a champ. Ooh, look at these turns, baby. This is what you buy an all-wheel drive Golf R for. And Stage 1 Plus it. Yeah. So you could get busy. Oh, nice GTI. I just saw another GTI out here. You know what he up here for. The same reason I'm here, to drive these roads, baby. Oh man, I wanted to check my camera, but then I saw a buddy. I didn't know if he was, you know, you don't know if people are ops or like, or with the functions, but he gave a super thumbs up, so he's with it, obviously. But man, Stage 1 Plus is absolutely phenomenal. Gotta love it, enjoy it, and appreciate it. Your tunes. I think I'm gonna switch to manual in a second. The thing about manual though, in this mode, you gotta be careful because you can redline. But I also get the pops going for the audio. Another thing I'm gonna tell you guys, if you go Stage 1 Plus, man, be careful, man, be responsible, because this becomes a rocket. Like, it's absolutely powerful, fast, and something that you need to take serious. I'm having fun here, but I'm not doing nothing crazy or extreme. You know what I mean? I'm tending to everything as I should, and I'm being responsible with it. highly recommend going Stage 1 Plus if you into performance and you really want to push your car. I really recommend it, because this car, don't get me wrong, it's fun stock, but it's even better. I did enjoy this car as it came from the factory. You know what I mean? You get snap crackles popped out of the mufflers. You get into great speed, but man, Stage 1 Plus. Oh, one of my cameras disconnected. Sounds amazing, yo. And this car handles like just so well. Like none of these turns, even if they caught me like off guard, like out of the blue, none of them have been a problem at all. Oh, you guys are getting your audio word today, I'll tell you that much. Man, that truck was all in my lane. And these brakes are really good in here that they give you, like factory. Like this car is well put together from factory, without a doubt, for you to enjoy it and do some things, so. This is a vibe right here, you guys. Just makes me enjoy this car so much more. It's like, it's crazy. Gotta keep an eye out for, you know, Mother Nature deers and all that stuff, so we can't go crazy. And never should you do that. Oh, roadkill. Ew, we ran over it. No, sorry. Oh yeah, this is the road you take your hatchback, hot hatch. Look at this, Conquer Hills like nothing. Man, this car with the tune is invincible. Not like literally, if you know what I'm saying. I'm obviously like, you know, enthusiastic, but this car is crazy, man. Especially if you like paddle shift it and take full control of the power. Oh, it's crazy. Y'all hear it. Ooh, there go deer. That's why you stay safe, man. You're in the right speed and all that, you know what I'm saying? Real life Mother Nature out here. We not playing. Real life deer. Respect. Woo, man. What a ride. Today is a ride. In my Mach 8 Golf R, Stage 1 Plus. And smile on my face, you guys can't see. Me and nature. Just a match made. Beautiful, man. This is a beautiful car. A lot of power. It's unfortunate that in the times when it came out, or like currently, like the car market is just so ridiculous that you know, dealers are kind of taking advantage of car enthusiasts. But outside of that, like, especially if you got your car at MSRP, man, W for you. Like, major respect. Like, you got a gem. This is a gem right here. This is a sleeper. I promise you, I'll be able to pull up on V6, you know, knuckleheads, Mopar, Chevy, whatever. And not that I will, but I'm just saying, you know what I mean? I was just on the way here, and there was like a one of those Lexus RCFs, I believe. You know what I mean? Let the player know the Golf Art got it too, player. The car community is a great community, and I love it. That's why I'm connecting with brands like Unitronic for this Stage 1 Plus tune to bring content to you guys. Working with other brands like APR to put parts on the car. I want to do some more Unitronic parts. I really would love to do their Stage 2 tune, as well as the downpipe with their exhaust system, and just get loud and sexy with it. Like, just give you guys a different sound and give you different configurations. I do got the APR intake video coming soon. I can tell you now, I enjoy it. It sounds great. Yeah, you guys, man, you know, just get out, get on the road, you in your car, your tune, your vibes, you know what I mean? And just enjoy it. This is a great car. It's a fun car to drive. It's even more fun with the Stage 1 Plus tune. You know, I love it. Engine is at temp. That's another cool thing about the launch on here. It won't activate unless you're at temp. Oh my God, bro. Oh my God. This car is so fast. Yo, this is crazy. This tune is nuts. This car is a different animal with the tune, man. Stage 1 Plus. Ooh, man. I'm talking about a real life thriller, man. Oh man, boom, 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 boom. Oh my God. Yo, when I say that this car tuned is absolutely amazing, I wholeheartedly mean that. And I just want you to know that it's definitely a mod, tune, whatever you want to call it, it's worth doing it. Man, oh man. And launch it. Go somewhere safe, I mean, where you can launch it and launch it. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I can't wait to get home and see this footage. I'm at a loss for words. All I can say is that it's phenomenal. It's fun. It's worth it. So if you're thinking about it, or if you're considering it, yeah, don't think any longer. Obviously, make sure it's within your budget and whatnot. I don't want to push craziness, but yeah, go get that Stage 1 Plus right now, all right? See what type of taxing they do. $433, Lord. No car wash. Just give me this expensive ass gas. Oh man, cost to drive. Shout out to the 93, because the 93 giving a little boost. Let's see what the damage is gonna be. All right, not too bad though. $36 to drive out to the canyon, through the canyon and back. The boots. Yep. Coast to drive and have a tune.